This is a drum unit that works in certain Konica Minolta copiers, but the inventor of this aftermarket one has made it work better, smarter, and quieter than the OEM original. Let me share more with you. Hello, I'm David Gibbons, and I'm in Tanzhou, right next door to Zhuhai here in southern China. Now, you may not have heard of Apace before. That's because the company has mainly been focused on the Chinese domestic market. The boss of Apace is an innovative guy, and he has created and patented a number of improvements that make OEM parts work better than the original. Now he wants to share his inventions with the world. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to reveal some of his inventions that could give you the edge you've been looking for in your business. This is Mr. Shah and Miss Eileen Zhou. Ni hao. I'm going to wear the earpiece so I can get the translation as you speak in Chinese. You have reinvented parts to make the low-speed Konica Minolta BizHub C250i, the C300i, and the C360i work better.
That's right, David.
And the parts also work in the high-speed BizHub C450i, C550i, the C650i, and the C750i series as well.
是的，这两个系列是科美推出的最新复印机机型之一，在市场上很受欢迎，性价比也很高。但是机器在工作时，它会出现持续的噪音。噪音是强电流通过鼓芯表面导致的。如果机器持续工作，它那个噪音就直接会影响工作。
So, Mr. Shah, how did you solve this problem?
我增加了这个鼓芯的导电面积。现在的复印机为了节能，降低了充电的电压，因此增加了电流。电流一大，就会产生异响。所以原装产品会出现很强的电流声。我们经过反复的研究，终于找到了解决的办法，就是把电流分散出来，增加它的导电面积，把电流降到合理的区间范围，这样在办公室就听不到任何的噪音了。我们的研究很好的解决了这个问题。现在复印机工作的声音安静了很多。
我们这个设计已经被授予了专利，这个设计也让我们在国内的市场上赢得了一片好评。所以我想把这个发明分享给全球的用户们。除此之外，我们还有其他的研发。
You mean you have more?
是的，科美的这些机器型号也需要更换定影器。
There are remanufactured fuses available from many others.
是的，但是市场上再生的定影器比较少，即使有一些，价格也比较贵。市场上的代用粉很多，但是经常会出现定影不牢的现象。
在我们改良的过程中，我们优化了和升级了复印机的定影器，适当的提高了定影器的温度和受热的面积，解决了原装定影器存在的一些问题。
我们现在推出的这款全新的定影器能够很好的弥补了市场上的空缺，也极大的降低了客户的成本。
I like your company slogan, keeping apace with your business.
是的，我们还可以增加一句，比原装的还要好。
You are right. This drum unit and this fuser that can be used with confidence in Konica Minolta copiers has been reinvented. Well done. And I look forward to sharing more of your inventions with our viewers. I'm with Mr. Shah and Miss Eileen Zhou here at Apace. And if you're wanting more information, you should contact Ken Wu, who can communicate more easily in English. And for all the news every day, go to our website, rtmworld.com. Let's keep in touch. I'm David Gibbons.